Hi, this is Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I wanted to show you the fanmail.biz website. So you're going to do this at home and look up the address of your fan. Hopefully you can find it on this website. You can do an actor, an actress, a model, a singer, a sports team. So for example, let's say we do an NBA team. You can search alphabetically. And let's just say IG, Golden State Warriors. And there's the address. All right, so have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so now we're going to go to Canva, and these are the letters. So that fan mail address would go right here. And then you'll have your student. We're going to leave the last name off. We're going to put the school address, school phone number, school email address, and then 3 paragraphs are format. And then we will type up what we want to say to our fan, mail them out, and then we'll update this video and show you what we received back. Thanks. Bye.